Hey everyone, and welcome to our short staycation vlog at Antara Residence, Genting Highlands. Situated near the peak of Genting Highlands, Antara Residence is a modern residential and homestay development by Aset Kayamas. Located just minutes from Genting's attraction, it is a popular choice for families, couples and friends looking for a comfortable getaway. Each suite comes fully furnished with a smart TV, kitchenette and everything you need for a relaxing stay. Antara is also connected to AK Antara Mall and has a covered link bridge to Genting SkyWorlds. Just a quick note though, the walk to SkyWorlds takes around 20 minutes and includes a fairly steep uphill climb, so it may not be suitable for elderly guests. We're staying in a studio suite managed by G&H Management on level 39 of Tower D. Come along and let's take a look inside. Right, we are at Antara Genting Highlands and this is the room that my wife has booked. It's a studio room under J&H. And guys, just take a look at this room. It's amazing, alright? You have a fully equipped living room, you have a fully equipped master bedroom with a bathtub and the view. Guys, that's not a white screen, that's the clouds. You cannot see anything outside. Crazy! The room is bright, modern and surprisingly spacious with beautiful mountain views that make the stay even more relaxing. It also comes equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, sink, plus a washing machine and dryer, something that we found especially useful since there aren't many laundry services nearby. One of the biggest highlights of Antara Residence is definitely its facilities. Guests can enjoy a golf simulator, bowling, karaoke, pool and darts, although those requires an additional fee and must be booked through the Alfred app. For families with young children, there are also indoor playgrounds and trampoline areas, making it a fun place to stay for all ages. And for those of you guys or girls who loves to gym, don't worry, there's a huge space for you to get a good workout. And Antara Genting Highlands also has an outdoor pool that you can swim with the clouds. But it's very cool, guys. But don't worry if the cold bothers you, there's also an indoor warm pool and sauna. There are just two things to keep in mind though. Firstly, halal food options within Antara are quite limited, with only a few choices such as the Lemon Tree Cafe and Labros Kopi. Secondly, if you're depending on Grab, it's best to book your ride around 20 minutes in advance as drivers need time to make their way up the mountain. Alright guys, this is our last day right here at Antara Genting Highlands. and it has been a fantastic 4-day stay here. We enjoyed the room, we enjoyed the amenities here, and we really recommend you guys to come to Antara Genting Highlands. What more can you get other than the room, the amenities, but also this fantastic morning sunrise view? So let's just appreciate this before we leave. Overall, we had a really enjoyable stay at Antara Residence. The rooms are modern, comfortable, facilities are excellent, and the peaceful surroundings makes it a great escape while still being close to all the excitement of Genting Highlands. If you're planning a trip here, Antara Residence is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.